Hi, in this video, we'll be having a summary of hydro energy. Now, when we see the term hydro, what will you think of? For me, I'll think of Hydra, the Pokemon. It's a water Pokemon, so I think of water. And that's right, we are using water as a source of natural form of energy. In what way? Let's use the three gorgeous dam as example. So, hydro energy means we are building dams, allowing gravity to have a huge volume of liquid coming down, turning the turbines, and in turn, generate current. Here we'll be going through some positive and negative of having dams. First, we'll go through some disadvantage. During the construction of this majestic three gorgeous dam, 1.5 million people have to evacuate. They have to relocate to other parts of the city or even further. And although compensation was large enough to some people, they do not want to move because for many generations they have been living there. So there's a bit of sentimental values living with their place. And as you know, habitats will change. They alter the habitats not only to human beings but also to land creatures, animals. They have to shift. They have to rebuild their nest and home. And additionally, the fish and the sea creatures inside the stream there that we build the dam have to move up and downstream. Okay? So they all have to relocate. Additionally, with the construction of the dam, since we are controlling the flow of the liquid in the river, and inside the river, there are plenty of minerals, sands. So having a dam would mean less sediments reaching down the river. Which part of the river? The river mouth. And when you have less of these sand and sediments going to the river mouth, it will cause the disappearance of the river delta. Pretty bad, isn't it? But there must be some good side of building dam. Dam. This is what the fish say when it hits the wall. Dam. The advantage of the three gorgeous dam, some people don't think it's gorgeous, it creates recreation value. So it becomes a main tourist attraction. And with the gate receipts, it can claw back some of the revenues that were used to invest to build the dam. Next, having the hydro energy is a good energy source with low carbon emission. So it's very green, supremely clean, and it's wonderful. And lastly, it is very reliable since we are controlling the volume of the liquid being stored in the bank. So there will not be problems with irrigation site. If you have any plantation there, you want to grow your rice crop, it will not have any hazard because we will always have the amount of water that's present. However, with this, it means that when you have a stream down and it goes between country A, country B, and country C, what that implies is if country A that's near the top, okay, upstream and downstream is country C, country A decides to build a dam because it's within its own territory, it's got to say. It means it will control the flow of the water in country B and country C. And we have clearly seen from some examples in the world that it can cause some political tension because maybe in country B and C, they depend a lot on the fish and the water supply from the river. So overall here, we see how hydro energy works and the implications to the society.